Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Friday, the 27th of May. Hard to believe it was a month ago today. Had one of the most violent tornado outbreaks in our state's history, our nation's history, and we're still recovering from that. It's going to be a long time. But today we are thankful that the weather is calm, and it's going to stay calm for a while. The spring tornado season is pretty much over for us. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network. The Decatur Skycam at 5 o'clock. Look at that daylight out there. Looking east, up in Morgan County over the Tennessee River. There's a look at downtown Gadsden in Etowah County. And from the Birmingham Metro, the Inverness Skycam at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. Not many folks out there. Well, the trough that brought the chaos over the last few days is weakening and lifting out. And in the wake of that, the air is dry and cool. Temperatures this morning feeling pretty good. Look at the 50s on the board. You're going to see a few mornings with 50s over the next 3 months, so enjoy them while we've got them. 56 for Haleyville and Cullman. Mostly low 60s elsewhere. Birmingham sitting at 63. Watch warning map, quiet as a mouse, and we can be thankful for that. What a tornado season this has been. Convective outlook, got a slight risk up in the northeast today, from northern Virginia into New England, and also a slight risk out there over Oklahoma. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather where you expect it in late May and early June as the upper winds begin to shift north. Parts of Kansas, northern Missouri, and Illinois. And on day 4, which is Monday, got a risk of severe weather way up north. And again, that's what you expect in summertime as the tornado activity moves up that way. QPF chart, here's a problem here. It's pretty dry now. Some folks had a lot of rain yesterday, and some folks had nothing. It was a little hit and miss. I know that our Fayette Skycam had almost 2 inches, but others barely had enough to measure. And this is counting the rain we had last night. This is, it's all gone now. This was valid from 7 o'clock last night through 7 o'clock Tuesday evening of next week, and we should be bone dry through then. Check the GFS. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's the weak trough to the east, strong upper low way up north on the Canadian border, and down below that, the rain today should be east of here. The dew points will likely continue to drop in the 50s and low 60s. Sky partly to mostly sunny today and less humid. All right, tomorrow we start to heat up as we kick off the weekend. Highs getting up there close to 90, and by Sunday we're still talking low 90s as the upper ridge takes over. A hot, dry Memorial Day weekend. And there's Monday. Look at that 594 ring beginning to expand as a monster ridge covers the east. That's just hot and dry. And then look at Tuesday. The 594 ring goes all the way down into Texas. And again, somebody in there might see some mid-90s on the last day of May. And, of course, we'll stay dry. There's Wednesday of next week. The 594 ring moves down to Texas. We still got a strong 588 ridge over much of the south. And down below that, there is a weak surface front coming from that low over northeast of Maine that might kick off a shower or two. But obviously, with the strong upper high, not much will happen with that. And pretty much the same deal Thursday, an old frontal boundary hanging around, maybe a few scattered showers and storms. And a week from today, looks pretty quiet. Go out there a little later in the month, June the 6th, D-Day. Again, a 594 ring to the north of us, strong ridging, and that would be just hot, muggy, mostly dry. And on the 11th, the end of the forecast, we note there is a trough axis a little north of us. And that's going to be kind of muggy and maybe a few scattered afternoon showers and storms. But again, clearly the core of the jet stream has moved on to the north, and we are out of severe weather season. An historic, tragic one for 2011 for our state. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive. My husband's alive. We made it. I'm demolished. I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.